Welcome to this video tutorial for Access Nevada. This video describes general functionality for navigating the integrated monitoring review process. We'll demonstrate how to complete components of the review and review and submit corrections as an LEA user. What is displayed on your screen will depend on the monitoring activity, and your experience may be different from what is shown in this video. To access a review, click the Monitoring tile on the dashboard, or select Integrated Monitoring Review under Monitoring in the left navigation pane. For purposes of this training video, we will view the complete review. Other reviews will follow a similar pattern of completion with specific requirements for the respective review type. When a review is initiated by NDE, they are displayed in the Integrated Monitoring Review table. To view the different activities associated with a review, click on the Quick Access menu. Please note that available options from the Quick Access menu will change based on the type and status of the review. Correction options will appear only after the review has been finalized. The complete review has a list of associated audits and activities with components that must be addressed by the SEA and LEA. For this demonstration, we will focus on the file audit. Once NDE selects students, LEAs may select the File Audit option from the Quick Access menu to view the list of selected students that NDE will be auditing. The selected students can also be viewed from the Integrated Monitoring Review table by clicking the caret in the Actions column. Case managers may be assigned from either location. To assign a case manager, click the Edit icon in the Case Manager column, select a case manager from the drop-down menu, and click Assign. Assigning a case manager is optional and is not required to complete the review. Documents can be uploaded for File Audit students by clicking the paperclip icon next to the student's name. Once NDE finalizes the review, all surveys, activities, and submissions become locked, and the review status will update to Review Validation. During this period, LEAs can review non-compliance findings and identify any items they believe were marked in error. To do this, open the appropriate correction screen by selecting the compliance type from the Quick Access menu. For this demonstration, we will use student-specific corrections. Once you select student-specific corrections, the Student File Audit page will open. The table displays information about the student files that were marked non-compliant as part of the review. Click the hyperlinked name of the student you wish to view and correct. Each item of non-compliance displays with the non-compliance answer from the review and any associated comment that was left by the individual who completed the file audit. Review each item and select NDE Error from the drop-down menu if you believe the finding was made in error. NDE will review these responses before releasing final findings. You can refer to the summary report at any time to view the results of a review. To access the summary report, click Summary Report from the Quick Access menu or the Activity dropdown. Initial results are recorded and displayed in the Initial Review section of the report. The final section will update once NDE releases findings. Information in the report can be filtered and viewed as needed. Click the caret to the right of the audit type to view the sections that were found non-compliant. Clicking the down caret next to the question number will display the student names. Click the hyperlink to navigate directly to the associated correction page. After NDE releases findings, the review status will update to corrective actions initiated, and corrective action activities will become available. This includes the Corrective Action Plan, or CAP, which must be developed and submitted by the LEA. To upload a Corrective Action Plan, select Corrective Action Plan in the Quick Access menu on the Integrated Monitoring Review page. On the next page, navigate to the Monitoring CAP section and click the Add CAP button. This will open the Add Monitoring CAP window. Enter a document title and description. Select the appropriate CAP type, and click Choose File to upload the Corrective Action Plan document. Once all required fields are complete, click Save to submit the CAP. The Corrective Action Plan will then be available for NDE review and approval. LEAs must then complete corrections by addressing each item of noncompliance and uploading supporting documentation. Corrections can be accessed from the Quick Access menu or the Activity dropdown. For this demonstration, we will focus on student-specific corrections. Select student-specific corrections from the Activity drop-down to open the list of students with correction items. This will open the Students page, which displays the list of students with correction items. Each student's name appears as a hyperlink. Click a student's name to open their correction details. On the correction page, review each item of non-compliance and select the appropriate status from the drop-down menu, such as corrected, not corrected, student transferred, or not applicable. To provide evidence of correction, click the Attach File button at the bottom of the screen and upload the required documentation. You may also add comments to provide additional context if needed. Once submitted, NDE will review the correction and either approve the submission or request additional information. Systemic corrections are required if areas of non-compliance were identified in the file audit. Before an LEA can address systemic corrections, NDE must set the number of students required for each question in the non-compliance items section. Once NDE sets the number of required student files, the non-compliance items section will display the compliance issues that must be corrected. The LEA will then select students from the list by checking the box next to each student's name to demonstrate systemic correction. Click the caret next to the student's name to expand their record. Then, select the compliance items that will be addressed using that student's file by checking the corresponding boxes. To upload documentation, click the Add Documents button and attach the required files for review. NDE will then review each submission and either approve or return the correction. Once the submission has been reviewed by NDE, you can view the status of each non-compliance item by selecting Systemic Correction Requirements in the Quick Access menu or Activity dropdown. If a correction is marked not approved, the LEA must upload additional documentation, including another student file that demonstrates correct implementation. The correction must then be reviewed and approved by NDE before it can be marked complete. Once all corrective actions have been completed and approved, NDE will finalize the corrective action plan and close the review by uploading a review closure letter. The review status will then update to Review Closed. LEAs may return to the corrective action plan page at any time to download a copy of the closure letter for their records. Thank you for viewing this video tutorial.